Yeah, what's up? Okay, man. This is another video from me, Forex Strategy Factory. You know what? There's something I just saw right now on my screen, and I believe I want to share this with you guys. With you. I don't know. I've been seeing this over and over again, but I've been watching it for, let me say, I think for 6 month interval. I've been watching it, and this always repeat itself. I've been seeing it over and over. You see, so I took my time to watch it on a daily time frame. Okay, okay. But because the daily time frame is very slow, the big time frame, they are very slow. You cannot use it to watch something and quickly make a decision, right? So I started diving down from the daily. I dive down to the 4 hour, 1 hour. I dive down looking for this same pattern, looking for it. Okay, looking for it. So I found it on the 1 hour, but 1 hour also became slow, cannot make decision on this. So until I dive down to the 5 minutes, and I still saw it. Okay, good. Yeah, it's okay, a little bit. 5 minutes is okay, but still, cannot have the patience to watch it and see what is going on with it. Okay, then I try my best to think that, okay, if I dive down to the 1 minute, I think I can get a kind of idea of what is going on. So I dive down to the 1 minute. Okay, and I took a trade. I think I upload the video on YouTube on the 15-minute time frame few months ago. When I was talking about this thing, I said, look at a crab, that this is a crab, that this crab will do what it's doing right here, and this price will turn around and go to the opposite. And that happened. You see, I've been watching these things before I ever made that video. Okay, I've been watching this thing over and over before I ever made that video. Okay, and now because I have watched it to the extent that I see that, okay, how is it possible or easy to find this pattern? Okay, you see, first of all, let me explain something properly. I want to explain something properly. You see, this is a 5-minute time frame right here. Now, the price have struggled all the way from here, struggled, and then rallied to the upside. Okay, now, what does this mean? When price started to struggle from somewhere, it means there's going to be a breakout of that struggle. This is why you saw price made a breakout and went to the stop. Now, this stop, there was a struggle here, a struggle around here, a struggle around here, a struggle, and then if you look at this thing right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, it is, this shape here is M, but this shape here is W. So the first thing I'm going to explain about this shape is that it always appears when the trend wants to change. Look, this is W here. I don't know if you can see it. This is W here, and it's always found around consolidation area, where price cannot continue to that trend anymore. Look, the trend was going up right here, was going up, got to the top, but cannot continue anymore. Look, this is why we began to see W, okay, consolidation zone. Then this is a W. It's a W. If you find it properly, this is a W. Okay, it's a crab. It's hanging. It's like hanging on the wall. Okay, it's hanging on the wall. It's a W. If I don't know, you can see it with naked eyes, but because you know I have been long in this forex thing, that is why I can easily see these things. Look at, it's a W. And what this means, the price will drop. So this is why the price dropped. I don't know if you can see this. See, this is M. This is M. You see how I spot them? The price will create the longest leg of M. This is why it dropped. Look, this is M. If you can see it, if you can see it, this is M. And this is the where the longest leg of M will be complete. And that will lead to the end of this trend. Yep, it will lead to the end of this trend. Now, what do I want to say? This longest leg started from here and dropped, and then got here. Okay. Started forming something like M shape, like the shape of a crab somehow. M shape. You began to see M shape. And when you look at it again, it's like consolidating. Alright? Now, this to me means this is a sign that this trend is going to change. And what is happening with it right now, we don't care. Okay? It might still seem like it's going down, but the end result of this trend is that it's going to change. What it's doing is to create a lot of M and use this M to climb and go. You see? This is M. Okay? This leg is always the longest leg of M. Okay? Great. Now, if you look, this is another longest leg of M. Then it will start to do what? To create M that will be going up until it can break out of this, I think this zone. It will break out of this zone. You understand? So, you saw the price moving, and moving. This is the longest leg of M. There is a big M somewhere. Yeah, there is a big M somewhere. You see, this is why you saw this. When you draw the picture of M, this is the middle of M. Okay, this is where it reverses to create the top of M, and this is the longest leg of M created. Okay, have you said it? Now, what is happening now? The longest leg of M has been created. Okay, good. Price have struggled through the creation of M, shape M, alright? M for, what would I say? Let's say M for monkey, so you know what I'm saying. It has struggled through the creation of M and complete the leg all the way through here. Okay? Yes, the leg of M is complete. Now, there will be the creation of W, a W, where this will be the first leg of W. W for wife, okay, for wife. W for whiskey, okay, that's what I mean. When you draw the shape of W and make this the first leg of W, okay, all this leg is the first leg of W. Make it that way. Now the next expectation is to find something that will rally to the upside, then rally down, and then finally rally up, the final heavy rally up to go complete the creation of W. Okay, let us leave that alone because I think that is too advanced for you. You understand? But little by little I'll be making this type of video for you guys to see it properly and understand it what is going on in the market. It's not about chasing, it's not about guessing, it's about something. Okay, now what is happening here is what I want to tell you. This leg, why does it rally down? And when it got here, it started behaving this way. And why? What is going on? Let me explain to you. I told you, you saw this leg rally down and started doing this. This is a sign of a trend will change. And then why did this happen? When this trend will change, it will form a head and shoulder. This is the first shoulder that has been formed. This is a shoulder that has been formed. Now, it's now forming the head. This is the head that has been created. Okay? This is the head. It will go this way, create the head, you know, then it will come back to create the final shoulder, okay, which will never break the head. Okay, but it will break this shoulder a little bit. Okay, but now it will go up, come back, creating the second final shoulder, and then rally up. Whatever it's doing here is the creation of head and shoulder pattern, which will change the trend and make it to go up. Okay, when you see something that looks like this, just seeing it alone, it is a sign of a change of trend. A trend is going to change. Okay, and that is exactly what happened around here too, you know. So but let me see, you know, it's all about you know how to plan your lot size. Okay, there's no way a trend is gonna go in your favor at the point of time you pull your entry. Okay, it is what matter is how you understand this market and how you follow the trend as it goes. Okay, like I always say, do not use all your eggs in one basket. Split it. Split it. You see me, how I split my entry? How I split my entry? As this continue to go create the creation of a W, it will pack all my orders and go into profit. Whatever is happening right here, right now, is not my business. The worst I can do is the more it goes down and lift it up, I'll put another pending order to buy. Okay, but what happened is what is my concern, that okay, the M is complete, it will go and create the W, and when this W is going to be created, you will see a bullish candle that will spike up. You understand? Because the buyers will come and spike it up, because they know that is the time to come and take some action. You understand? So this is going to be the end of this video, which I think you understand exactly what I'm talking about. You know, all these things you see here, they are all the formation of the M leg. As you can see, it's a M leg formation, okay, that got completed, that got the third part of it here and rally down to complete the M leg. And now doing this, the W shape is going to be formed, and we are in the market chasing the W shape. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. God bless you. Bye bye. This is your man, Forex Strategy Factory. Opening your eyes to see why the market behaves the way it does and why you should never chase. Showing you why you should be there before the moves ever happen. Watch out for the links below this video to go and learn more about this strategy and how to know what the market is doing. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye.